just 3 ingredients. A dairy-free alternative to whipped cream. This is the most delicious thing I've ever tasted. Yes, it is totally possible to make dairy-free whipped cream. Whether you are lactose intolerant or vegan or paleo, homemade coconut whipped cream is ideal for topping pastries or any drinks. It's a delightful dairy-free and vegan substitute for traditional heavy whipped creams. It's light, fluffy, and just takes 5 minutes to make. In my last video, I have shown you how to make coconut milk from scratch, and today you will know how the coconut cream separates from the same coconut milk you have kept it in the refrigerator. That means the coconut cream is homemade. And so the whipped coconut cream. Simply combine excellent quality full fat coconut cream, a sweetener of your choice, and vanilla extract in a mixing bowl and whip into soft peaks. So we are using the cream that rises to the top of the cooled coconut milk can. This rich cream can be whipped into a luscious airy cloud of heaven. So are you ready to try one of the tastiest whipped topping? So let's go. We are making this homemade coconut whipped cream today. I have allowed the can of coconut milk to cool for a day. The full fat coconut cream in the coconut milk will separate from the water. It will build up on top and harden. Now scoop out only the firm coconut cream that should have risen to the top of the can. The clear liquid that remains can be discarded. Coconut cream does not expand like typical whipped cream, but it whips quickly into a creamy coconut topping. It can be used in recipes calling for whipped cream. Keep in mind that it has a slight coconut flavor when using it as an alternative. It serves as a substitute for the standard butter, cream, powdered sugar, and eggs used in frosting recipes. However, some planning is necessary when preparing coconut whipped cream because the base is coconut milk, which must be refrigerated for a few hours or a day. Now let's whip the coconut cream, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Coconut cream is naturally sweet and flavorful, making it an excellent natural food for topping exquisite sweets. It also possesses the qualities of traditional frosting, making it highly attractive to all dessert lovers and fantastic addition to any treat. The whipped coconut cream should be sturdy enough to use a frost, a cake, or cupcakes. Fill it into a chilled pastry bag fitted with a piping tip to decorate your cupcakes with intricate swirl designs. You can eat this with any fruit. You can use it as a topping in your desserts and enjoy it. Guys, if you want to know how to make coconut milk from scratch, please watch my previous video. I have mentioned the link in the description box. Also make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Do not forget to comment if you have any suggestions, any feedback, or if you want me to make your preferred recipe. If you have tried this recipe with any modifications, please do write in the comment box. Hope to see you soon. Eat clean.